Here's where I'll be sleeping tonight. And doesn't that just look cozy? That's dry enough. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Here's what my setup looks like. I brought 3 blankets because it's supposed to be pretty cold tonight. It should drop below 0. I brought this book in case I get bored. I also brought some manga I picked up at the library today. And I brought this backpack, which is actually a cat bed basically, because my cats like sleeping on it. I'm not sure if they'll come out tonight, but if they do, they got a place to rest. And I brought a headlamp so I can actually read the books I brought out. It's pretty cozy here actually. I think it's gonna be a nice and peaceful night. It's pretty cool looking up and seeing the blue sky. Feels like my head is lower than my feet though, so I might switch which end I'm sleeping at later. I'm just kind of worried about having my head at this end because it's quite dusty over here and my allergies have been pretty bad lately. Do you see that airplane? It's way up there. That's pretty cool. So I'm all set up. I'm just gonna chill for a bit and then go get some dinner later and maybe go on a walk. I know how to shave, by the way. I'm just trying to grow a mustache and beard. So I decided not to get takeout tonight, but I'm gonna have a little picnic instead. I'm having a chicken salad croissant, some cheesy potatoes, and of course, no picnic is complete without a jar of Sprite. Yeah. Uh-oh. Alice ran away on me. What are you doing, silly kitty? Playing Pokemon Go and listening to a Stephen King audiobook. I'm back for my walk now. It's really dark out. Got dark really quick. I set up a little headlamp there so I can at least see a little bit. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. I guess I'll play on my phone for a bit. I'm cozied up in bed right now. I've got my hoodie on and some pajamas, but I'm still a bit cold. It's actually quite cozy though. I like looking up at the sky. My Wi-Fi doesn't quite reach outside, so I had to come inside to download some Netflix movies to watch on my phone. And you know how it goes with downloading shows. I got about 6 hours worth of content for the 2 hours I'll be awake. So I'm settled in for the night. I got a fourth blanket. I got some popcorn. I got the new raspberry lemonade Hey Y'all. It's getting a bit colder than I expected, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the tunnel cover on now. Isn't that nice and cozy? Although, it's a bit dirty, to be honest. It smells really musty in here, too. It's a little cramped in here. This is how much room I've got. Whoa, how am I getting that blue light? How am I doing that? I keep hearing like this weird rustling outside. I'm not sure what it is, but it's kind of spooky. Sounds like someone like hiding in a bush, trying to be stealthy. Maybe I got a stealth camper nearby. Okay, so I've got the new raspberry lemonade Hey Y'all. Let's give it a whirl. There's no room in here. Just tastes like kind of watery raspberry lemonade. I don't really get much of a hint of alcohol at all. I'd probably give it like a 7 out of 10. Yeah, it's not bad. It's probably something I would get again. Here, let's get a thumbnail. I'm wearing a headlamp right now. It's actually kind of cool. I don't know if I've ever worn one before. Feels like I'm in like a horror movie or something. I look like a tool. I'm all cozy and I'm getting pretty sleepy, so I'm gonna go to bed now, okay? Okay. See you in the morning. Good morning. I'm outside my little den. I woke up like an hour ago and my phone was dead, so I had to go charge it. Overall, my sleep was better than I expected. I only woke up a couple of times. It was quite cold though. My nose especially was freezing when I got up. So the extra blanket definitely helped. See, you can see my breath still. I think it dropped to -1 degrees Celsius last night, so it was quite chilly. I mostly just hung out and played on my phone. I did a bit of reading, but not that much. I ended up not even watching Netflix at all. I kind of wish I didn't have the tunnel cover on so I could have seen the night sky. That would have been pretty cool, but it was really cold, so I didn't really have much of a choice. If I were to do it again, I would probably wait till it's a bit warmer out so I actually could keep the tunnel cover off. Plus, I wouldn't need 4 blankets. Thanks for watching. I look like a tool.